Okay, we've got another auction item here for our July 5th 2023 online auction here in Langley, British Columbia. We are all city auctioneers, and of course from the sign there you've seen it, we use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. First thing I want to say about this unit is has been declared that it needs major engine repairs. We were able to energize the unit. There are no batteries in the unit, in the loader, and so we were able to energize the unit and figure out that the hour meter says 8,642.3 hours. It is a 2013, even though you're looking at something that says 2012, but I go by the registration documents. It's a 2013 Case 590 Super N four-wheel drive loader backhoe. I'll wander around here and just kind of talk about the unit. They have declared it as needing major engine repairs, but I'll show you what's written on the inside in the cab here shortly once I get in there. Tires on it appear to be in good condition. Michelin's front and rear. Back ones here, rears look like they're fairly recent. They still got the little teats on them. I don't see much seepage or anything like that. Oil leaking from the cylinders. Of course, I couldn't test any of that. Fronts, I'm not sure how much wear there is, but seems like there's quite a lot of tread. Drive shafts, front and rear, have been removed. They are located inside the cab. So they are included, but they have been removed, of course, so you can have the thing winched onto a low bed. Loader edge may need a replacement soon. It's getting pretty close to the steel of the bucket. 4-in-1 bucket. Of course, government surplus items, so lots of maintenance, regular maintenance done to it. You can see all the grease, where all the grease fittings are. We do post a lot of pictures on the auction site, so make sure you look at all those. I do pictures of the undercarriage and any of the engine labels and stuff like that that I can find. Glass is in good condition. I didn't see any chips or cracks. The clean out bucket on the hoe is included. The hoe is designed, of course, with a connections for a tamper or a breaker, so there's the hydraulics there. It is in the up position, hence why it came in on a low bed. So because the hoe is actually in the locked up position. If you know how to release that in order to put it on a different truck, then you go right ahead. It came in that way. It's to me, it's got to go out that way. Let me see. Yeah, there's the tires on this side. This one looks like it's got a little more wear than the other side, but this one here looks again like it's still got the little plastic right here in the side, and those are Michelin 500/70R24s. And then of course the front, I can't see the size right away, probably not that of big of a concern. Now I'll head for the cab. There has been a few items that look like they've removed from the cab, control panels, stuff like that. So obviously there's could be possibility of more repairs other than just the motor, because of course it is a used vehicle. So there's a little sign here right on the window, piece of tape that says number 3 missing, push rod and 1 bent, run very little. So that's what it says there on it. As you can see, the controls are no longer on the steering column, so that needs to be tended to. Some of the plugs look like they've been removed or unplugged, so not sure. That's for someone else to figure out. There's the rear drive shaft, I guess, or the front, I'm not sure. And here's a shorter drive shaft, so that could be the front or the rear, not sure. But there's 2 drive shafts in here. The dash over on this side is loose, so my guess would be that somebody has been in the back of it, because it does come right off. Or maybe not really. I could probably just clip it back in and nobody would know the better, but there's bolts missing, so somebody would know. Controls on the back all seem to be complete. You know, buttons and switches there. There's the sound system. Everything up top. Looks like you get a couple of free coffee coupons from McDonald's, or stickers. You know, all the buttons and switches on the dash, on the center console appear to be there, not removed. So they've definitely maybe taken something from this area. Not sure. They don't provide a lot of information other than the fact that it needs major engine repairs. And really, that's about it. I really can't show you very much more. Can't demonstrate everything running like I normally do. Seat doesn't look to be torn or anything. It looks like there's some repairs there. Like I said, glass appears to be in good condition. Hydraulics, I'll maybe come outside again. You're looking at some of the other items in this auction sale. Garbage trucks. There's another loader. So I'll just kind of extend this. Let you look up high. And then I'll make it small so you can see here where the pivot point is. And I don't know if I can get the camera to actually sit under the unit. But like I said, we do post lots of pictures. So this is selling on July the 5th, 2023. It's selling from our Langley location here. We are all city auctioneers. We sell government surplus and estate items, and of course business surplus. We use the online auction site called bcsurplus.com. There's the website, and everything sells to the highest bid. We are a completely unreserved auction site. Highest bidder wins. Hope you get another buy-by auction. Good luck.